Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, heated front seats, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.